As I reflect back on the last 4 to 5 years, it seems like a roller coaster ride with lots of ups and downs, perhaps more downs than ups. From the time that Praket was diagnosed with hearing loss, he has been our single most focus. And from when he was a 6-month-old baby, taking him to numerous audiological testing, visits to various ENTs, therapists, audiologists. It's been a, frankly speaking, emotionally and physically draining experience. And when you see your 18-month-old child on a operation theater table, it can just be heartbreaking. So today when I see Praket mixing and mingling and playing with his peers, I feel that all the efforts which we have put and each of the sacrifices that we've made in the last 5 years, they basically seem to have been worth it. Tell the story of the 3 pilots.
3 pilots, 1 pilot, 3 pilots, just a button, 3 button, and the plane started to crack, and the plane, all the fishes fell down in the sea. 3 button went faster.
So now, after these 5 years, like, wow,
You did it.
Yeah, we did it.
Yeah.
Yeah.